On July 20th, 1969, the first man landed on the moon. At that time, the motivation of the expedition had been advancement in technology. The United States was determined not to fall behind and desired to surpass their competitors. 41 years have passed from the time when we first landed on the moon. Since then, the U.S. has been continuing its efforts to further the advancement of science and technology by funding missions to space.
Tim, you're missing the point. The moon is more than just a chunky rock of silica in the sky. It's a prospective landmass that could support life. Space is truly the final frontier, and the area available is massive.
More than massive, it's humongo. Let me Google it. The moon has 510 million square kilometers of surface area. That's 4 times the size of the United States, or the combined landmass of Africa and Europe.
For USA, that's like 13,540 Rhode Islands.
That many Rhode Islands, how many smoots?
13.3 times 10 to the 12th square smoots for your information.
In terms of colonization, over 4 billion people could live on the surface of the moon if they each received an acre of land for themselves and still leave roughly half the area unpopulated.
Yeah, but the living conditions wouldn't exactly be ideal. For one, the moon gets really cold at night, and the colonization of the moon is not achievable yet because we do not have the information we need to do it. We need to send more robots and astronauts to the moon to explore its surface and study its composition.
That's not everything we need. We need more than just composition. You know, knowledge of the moon's resources will be critical to a successful colonization. Simply knowing what is available will allow missions to be planned so that only necessary resources will be sent. One example would be water.
You're right. The discovery of large amounts of water would prevent the necessity of sending massive amounts of water to the moon via shuttle.
Oh hey, like the NASA thing!
NASA thing?
Yeah, the NASA thing.
Last year NASA announced the discovery of a significant amount of water on the moon. Gallons of it!
That's not nearly enough for a colony. The United States, for instance, uses 410 billion gallons of water a day.
But still, if there's a few gallons, why not more?
True enough, but colonizing the moon could be a godsend.
I object to the word godsend.
Granting space to a world that is quickly becoming overpopulated and under-resourced. This would definitely make it the highest asset lunar exploration could provide to humanity.